Investor Lifestyle fam, welcome back to another episode. Investor Lifestyle. Today we're far away out in the plains of Jamaica. We see some persons say wasteland that can be used for different things. But guess what? We're here to visit someone who's been using this land for agriculture production. This is a young entrepreneur, someone who will support, and we share his story. Stay tuned. Bless. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Investor Lifestyle Jamaica. We have a special guest today, people. We have a hard-working young man who is here in the process of making hay, driving food security in Jamaica. Because this hay is used to feed animals, can be used on crops as mulch, material. Welcome, Ziggy, Mr. Shernel Yethman. Respect, man. How are you, sir?
I'm alright. Just doing some work right now.
Okay, yeah. Sorry for disturb you, same way. Could you tell us shortly about the process of hay making in Jamaica?
Alright. This is something where many people don't really do it still, because probably don't really know about it. You understand? But I am one of the person who do it. Okay? Alright. It's all about dry grass. Hay is dry grass. So the grass has to be dry.
Yeah.
Alright. So when you cut the grass, you're gonna, if it's green, it's dry as I said. Alright, you have a baler. You have some people who have the tractor. We can bale it. But me, we did old fashioned way.
Oh, manual.
Yeah. Right? Because we don't have the right tool them. Did it properly. That I really want to. Yeah, so see my box yesterday. That we use. Yeah. I'll show you the box. That we use and build the them.
Yeah, man.
See the them there. The them make good looking here, the same way. And the grass.
Yeah.
Right? This is my place I have a use. Right? With business and things, same way.
Yeah,
so,
excellent.
Yeah, anybody who want here, they don't know, you can give me a link same way.
Okay.
Yeah.
What number them can reach out to you?
Yeah, man. 4840404, man.
Okay.
That's my number.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
So in terms of you ever getting a response from livestock farmers or persons in terms of the quality, how is it?
Yeah, man. Animals love it.
Okay.
Always get good response back.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, not negative.
So where do you see yourself like in the future in terms of hay making?
When I see myself, when I want to see myself, I say I want one tractor.
Yeah.
We can build it.
Okay.
You understand? And some more tool make it easier for me.
Yeah.
Right, some more tool.
Oh, but everything though, yeah, use a technology, yeah, man.
Right, technology wise, you see me, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, and I want like a storage, because right now I'm not a storage.
Yeah.
Them things the same way.
Okay.
And some more customers same way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can employ people too.
Viewers reach out, to Ziggy, yeah, man, anywhere there, make a phone call, make a thing happen. Or WhatsApp.
Yeah, so I think.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
So what are your challenges? You mentioned trying to say like storage.
Yeah.
What like storage you put on a container and them something?
Yes. Or even a nice little shed.
Okay, okay, yeah, do it.
Yeah, side them cover and top cover same way.
Oh, cool.
Or container.
Yeah, man.
That's a nice storage, yeah. When rain fall, you have to supply people same way.
Yes.
Yeah.
And basically, as I say, you're willing to work with youngsters because and impart the knowledge as well.
Yes. As I said, many people don't really know about it still.
Okay, but it's something you are willing to share as well.
Share, same way.
Yes, and what's your best period in terms of hair production? The best time we get sales and something.
The best time, alright. The best time when the time dry. You find the grass not really so much at that time.
Yeah, man.
You know, if the rain really fast, the grass will really grow.
Yeah.
Like that. So people more if want to get them time.
Okay.
They can't find it like that.
Yeah, excellent.
Yes, right. So them time, when they say dry time.
Yes.
Anytime you come along, it's like summertime or dry time or anytime. The time dry.
Work out.
Yes.
So your business impacted by the whole global pandemic, COVID. How the economy, how the economy treating you?
Alright. You know, treat me so bad still, because you why now.
Yeah.
You know, so big in height.
Okay, okay.
Probably if it bigger in height,
Yeah.
but I feel an impact out of it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You understand? But I don't really feel not much out of it still, because my thing is so big.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So you do it on a small scale.
Yeah, small
and
scale,
but you hope to expand.
Yeah, more to expand, as me said before.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And get some modern type of tool and yeah.
So question in terms of family, is there family aware, like interested to join this business?
Yeah, man. Family I'm interested to see me, man.
Okay.
You understand? So anytime things that are way good now, we can support the whole thing now.
Yeah,
You
man.
can join in.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So
Understand?
would you, alright, so if there's a possibility for you to get more lands, you take it?
Yeah, definitely.
All of 1,000 acres, you take it?
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man, take it.
So yeah, you have reach out to SCJ or you go hit the, yeah.
Different things here upon lots here.
Yeah, me like it.
Something see me, yeah. Can have a grass feed already, so could have goat. Why not have goat and cow too?
Yeah, man, you're a real productionist.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, yes, I respect that.
Yeah, man. So you go, man.
If you're subscribers, support Ziggy, make a call. We're going to leave the number in this video and below that you can support and reach out
Yeah,
to
man,
him.
reach out, man.
We call that tool something?
Well, I guess it's the first.
We just call it a press. Oh. It look neat though. A beater, yeah, we call it. Cause I wanna done up